Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to be making vegetable plantain. So let's start. So here I have 1 kg of plantain. My plantain is kind of semi-ripe, not overripe. It's just ripe but the inside is still very strong. And you can also use the green one, which is unripe one. So I'm going to start by peeling off the back of my plantain. After peeling off the back, I'll go ahead to cut the plantain into smaller pieces. Please guys, do not forget to wash your plantain before peeling the back off. As you can see in the video, I've already washed my before I started peeling the back off. And this plantain vegetable recipe is very healthy and also very good for weight management. So guys, this is what my plantain look like after peeling off the back and cutting them. Next, I'm going to transfer it into my pot, then go ahead to add my well chopped onion, some blended crayfish, some blended pepper, salt and stock cube. And after that, I'm going to go ahead to add in some vegetable oil. Here I'm using red palm oil for this recipe. You can also use like sunflower oil, soya bean oil also for this recipe. And after that, I'll go ahead to introduce some water to my plantain. After that, I'll use my spatula to mix everything together. Then I'll go ahead to place it on fire, cover the pot and allow it to cook until it becomes soft. So finally, 15 minutes after I'm done cooking my plantain, as you can see my plantain is very soft now, I'm going to go ahead to introduce my green vegetable. After adding in the vegetable, I'll use my spatula to press it down a bit, then cover the pot, allow it to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes. And 4 minutes later, I'm going to check on the vegetable plantain. Now I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to stir it continuously until I combine everything together. So guys, after you are done stirring and mixing everything together, you can go ahead to serve your plantain vegetable with some fried fish while it is still hot. To all my amazing viewers, please, I'm begging you, if today is your first time of coming across this my amazing channel, don't forget to subscribe after watching this video and also like and share this video. And to all my returning viewers, thank you all for always tuning in. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.